how to add the form block in Excel. So first we can go to the customize quick access toolbar. This is customize quick access toolbar. So click here and go to the more command. So in this go to the quick access toolbar and here click all command and find the form. So don't go to the don't and here here I will see add the form option. Click here and add. Here we can see that form option is added, so click OK. Here the form option is added. What is the function of form option I will teach you in next video.